You don't have patience, huh?
You are so cute.
Wow, dude. It honestly feels like when you walk in here, you're in a whole different world. Yeah. Okay, yeah. All right, Cuffaros, we have a lot to pick from here. A lot. How much is this turtle?
300.
300 bucks?
He is beautiful, and they're ready to get into this pond, let me tell you.
What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is actually sponsored by API. More on them later. First things first, before we go and get these beautiful, super rare turtles that I have never owned before in my life, we got a lot to do in today's video. One is feed all these animals. You hear them all screaming back there? Let's go feed. Woo! Look at her go. See you later, bud. That's my mallard I rescued. Kevin, what up, Kev? Oh, yikes. I just asked Jenny how the pigs are. As you can see, their blue pit bull loves them. He thinks it's his babies. It's so funny. It's the pigs with the pit bull, and then down here, she said he just sits with them all day. And look at the pit with the two pigs. So that's an update on the little pigs if you guys were curious. They're doing great. Hey, buddy. Woo. Hey, you two, what's going on? I gave you some food right there. There you go. Now that all you pigs have eaten, I have got another scoop here for goats. Here comes Boots. Here comes, bam! Hey, how's it going, buddy? Oh my, Oscar, you are not, come on, little baby, jeez. Alright. Hello, leave Suzanne alone. Suzanne, you look like you're doing a lot better. Take a little, oh, that's not the food. There you go, alright. Lady May, Mango, do not bite me. Okay, everything over there has eaten. But we gotta be quiet because we got Mama. All the babies are over here. If you remember, last video, I built this right here for all the baby pigs that we had. We had 6 more pigs on the farm. Yes, Willow was pregnant. Let me feed all these hogs first and the 2 over here, and then we'll get to the babies and Mama. You don't have patience, huh? Speed feed. Hey, you. Let me clean your bowl out first. Here. Look at the babies. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna film on my phone because it's a lot better lighting. Look at them all. They look like a bunch of Bambis. I just laid some fresh, every single time I come in here, I lay a new bag. So this is all nice and fresh for them for the day. The babies are super, super cute, and they all look the same. They literally all look the exact same.
You are so cute. Oh my goodness.
Look at you. They're literally so small. All right. Now, unfortunately, Mama had 6 babies initially. One of them didn't make it. It was the runt, the all black one. Now, out of all the times I've had animals bred on this farm, you know, goats, 3 litters of pigs, we've never had a death. This is the first time it's happened, and it sucks, but it's part of breeding animals, especially on a farm. I don't know the cause of death. I'll be quite honest with you, the baby was just laying there, and it was the runt. It was the smallest one out of all of them. Maybe the other ones neglected it and Mama wouldn't give it enough milk. Who knows what the circumstance could have been, but I wanted to let you guys know that one did not make it out of all 6. Same with the other one, actually. She had 6 babies, but one never developed. We had 6, we now have 5, and the other 5 look super, super healthy. I gotta go see the other 3 babies over here now. Then we're getting out of here to go buy some crazy turtles. Maybe they'll come out when they hear the food. All 3 of you are just little scaredy cats. All right, you're gonna come out the second I walk out, I know that. And there they go, they're eating away. I got a crab for you, Mr. Zebra Eel. He's got his mouth open. He grabbed it. And that crab is now in a hole. It's, oh, not yet. And it's gone. Massive coral, 10 times the size as I bought it. Pretty much everything is doubled in size. The anemone actually split in half. This side is massive. Look how big it got. Clowns are doubled in size, such a pretty fish. But I mean everything in this tank has doubled in size. It's so cool. I don't exactly film it as much as I used to, but more to come on soon to come projects with that. We're pretty much, let's just say, tripling that tank size. All right, we got an hour and a half ride. Let's go buy some turtles. Well, that didn't go as expected. Willy, Willy, Willy. We are here at Blake's house. Hey, Blake.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Dude, I just need another arm.
Wow, dude. It honestly feels like when you walk in here, you're in a whole different world.
Yeah, I love it.
Hey.
So these guys are, these guys are omnivores, so they eat all different types of fruits and veggies, and dog food, mealworms, rats, all that stuff. So that's their bowl right there.
Wow.
And then check these guys out. They haven't got released yet, but they'll be coming out soon. White crested Tarocos.
White crested
Tarocco.
tortillos.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's the female, that's the male. They're gonna
He's like,
get released into this aviary very soon, but they're just inside here right now getting used to the area, and we're making sure they're eating well.
That female's even prettier.
Those Tarocos will be released inside of here, and they'll be able to forage and go around and just like eat all different types of berries and different things that are here in this enclosure for them, so I don't have to feed them as much.
Look at this. It is all netted in, by the way. I love how there's just a melanistic gar chilling right there. Dude.
The viewing platform, so I can sit up there and chill and just like, you're a little taller.
Yo! Enjoy what you created, man.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's definitely a cool view from over here.
You can stand on that?
I would've stand on that. That was more just for the birds to come in over here and everything. He follows everywhere we go.
He's chilling with us.
Hey, buddy. Nobody sees these guys out yet.
Now you wait for that one to close.
Yep.
And then you open this one.
Just in case they get out.
Cool. And these guys always bite me.
Oh yeah, if you put your finger in there, he will get you hard. He'll make you bleed.
No, we're not gonna do that. Homie, this is Marty. Marty is my favorite animal Blake owns. Y'all know the gist with Marty. I need one of those so bad, dude. I've never seen Marty not laughing. He's always laughing at us.
Oh yeah. So if you actually see the difference now of the male and female. That's the female over there. She has a lighter face. The male has really, really dark black lines going in the front now. His horns are starting to show too.
Fruit, fruit, fruit. Everyone eats.
Yep, every day too.
Before we get on to the next animal, here's a word from today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by API. API is a trusted aquatics brand that has been in the industry for nearly 60 years, developing and perfecting products for your aquariums and ponds. It offers a range of test kits, water conditioners, fish medications, and nutritional products that help the consumer create the most natural habitat for their underwater world. API offers treatments that work in conjunction with one another, which makes routine maintenance super quick and easy. The API Aqua Essential is an all-in-one, highly concentrated aquarium water conditioner that instantly makes tap water safe for fish by removing the chlorine, chloramine, and detoxifies heavy metals found in tap water. Use Aqua Essential when your water quality has degraded, and it will detoxify ammonia, nitrate, and nitrite to provide a more suitable environment for your fish and other aquatic life. And don't forget to add API Stress Zyme bacterial cleaner once a week to consume sludge and reduce aquarium maintenance. And also, Stress Coats, dosing your tanks, ponds, whatever it may be with Stress Coat will help reduce the stress on your fish. And always make sure to test your aquarium water using the API Master Test Kits to help prevent problems that could be harmful to your fish and quite literally even end in fish loss, which no one wants that. All API products can be purchased on Amazon. Just use the link down below. Y'all know all my fish eat API's food. I treat all of my tanks with their stuff as well. I mean, they're literally displayed in my fish room. They've been a part of the channel for a while and I've never had a single bad thing to say about them. Watch this, the fish love this. Come here, buddies. Ready? Eat up. Woohoo! They're going crazy. Oh, the turtle's even coming up for a little bit. Now again, go to the links in the description and get some API products. They're all available on Amazon. It's as simple as just a click in the description down below. Bing, bang, boom, you got yourself some of the best products in the game. Check it out, top link in the description. Thank you again, API, for sponsoring today's video. No kidding, there's nothing better than API. You have otters running around your living room.
He loves hugs. He loves hugs. Okay, yeah,
So
buddy.
cute, dude.
So personally, everybody that I talked to about having an otter, they say, watch out, otters bite, they'll slice the crap out of you, all that stuff. But I got lucky enough with Oliver because I raised him up since he was a week old. This guy's dog came with me. And his girlfriend, on the other hand, Callie, she's not like that. I didn't raise her up.
She likes to bite. I actually got the funniest video ever of those otters just spinning on my keychain. It's time.
The reason why you came.
Exactly. Well, I came to see you, Blake. Don't get fooled.
You're right. The water's probably dirty because I fed out this morning.
Look at that. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them all. Look at them all. Wow.
Those are going to be featured for the aviary.
These are beautiful. All right, Cuffaros, we have a lot to pick from here. A lot. Oh, no way. That little soft shell?
That's an albino Chinese softshell turtle.
I have 2 albinos, but these little pink bellies.
And then there's pink bellies. There's one that's a little bigger in there that I definitely think you should get.
They got that side neck name because their neck is tucked into the side, as you can see.
Oh yeah.
But look at that, pink belly, side neck, pink belly, side neck. We're definitely gonna do one of these too. I wanna do stuff that I don't have. My goal is to have the coolest little mini turtle pond. You guys, if you have never seen it, we'll see the turtle pond in just a second.
If you have these turtles and you don't want them anymore, just hit me back up and I'll take them back for you. Don't worry, buddy.
Cool, awesome. So when they get bigger, I'm gonna give them to you.
All right.
I don't have to feed them. I'm just kidding. All right, we're definitely gonna do this guy.
All right.
For sure. The thing is beautiful, man.
Dope.
So pretty. You're a little baby.
And if you want, like I said, I can get any types of stuff you want. Like I can get albino ones, all different species.
Albino of these?
Yeah.
25,000 likes, and I'll have Blake order albino pink belly side necks. And I'll buy one. All right, there you go, a little wet paper towel.
There you go. So the cool thing about these guys is a lot of people in the fish world, because you're a fish keeper as well, just like me, a lot of people keep them just like a fly river turtle. They don't need a bask, they don't need any of that. So once they get bigger, they just live in your pond. And they don't get as big as the Florida soft shells either. They only get about 10 inches.
Okay, we're definitely gonna do one of these too.
Yeah, pick any of those out. You can take a big one, small one, whatever you want.
Probably get a smaller one, that way you can grow. Northern red belly right here. And I like this one because its colors are much darker.
Well, Mars, that's it.
Yeah, let's do 2. And do one smaller one. There we go.
And look
at the top. The top of the shell is different too. Wow.
Alright, so just this.
Should we do one of these? I'm just tasting the air of my bank account. Trying to see if I have enough. I don't think we have enough in the bank. All right. I just bought another house. What? Yeah, let's do one. Let's do one. Look at that thing. How much is this turtle?
300.
300 bucks?
Oh, and they like to bite you. 300 of biting. They are expensive.
All right, Blake's gonna give me a discount if you guys go subscribe to his channel because he's about to hit 1 million subs. So if he hits 1 million subscribers, I think he's like 8,000 away. Yep. Cuffaros, every single one of you, go to the description down below, click the link, subscribe to his channel, and if you don't, you're gonna make me go broke. So otherwise, subscribe to him and me while you're down there if you haven't.
Appreciate it. Let's make it happen. See how strong you guys are.
Thanks, Blake. I appreciate it,
Anytime. If you need anything else, we got them all here. Any turtle you want.
Again, subscribe to him so I don't go broke.
And tortoise.
See you in the car, truck. Oh yeah. And this tortoise is here, by the way.
Huh?
We are back at the fish room and I have our 2 things of turtles right here. Well, that one just made his way in on his own. I didn't even have to do anything there. We got this one though. Such pretty colors on their bellies. I mean, just beautiful, beautiful turtles. And this one I'm gonna put right on top of the rock over here. There's the 2 albinos over there. Oh, here he goes, right in. He's just sitting there swimming against the current. That was a quick 1 box. Don't worry, there's no more turtles in there. We do have, though, our very valuable box right here. This has our pink belly side neck and our Chinese albino soft shell turtle. Pop this sucker open. Oh lordy, look at that. He is beautiful, and they're ready to get into this pond, let me tell you. Last but not least, our Chinese albino soft shell turtle. I can't wait to grow this little guy out. I hope everything goes well. You know, soft shells are, for some reason, the softest turtles, especially when they're this tiny, but this is about as natural as it gets right here. These turtles are thriving, all of them. Indian spotteds, albinos, red yellow bellies, you name it, they're all thriving. So this right here is our most expensive turtle. There's both of them, but this guy's new. These albinos love to bask. They like bask 90% of the time. Look at this little guy. He is just trying to get out. Ah, he just bit me. All right, bud, here you go. Ready? There's our Indian spotted. We have 3 of these guys in here. Let me see if I can grab them. Oh, you're quick. All those spots are. See you later, bud. There's the pink belly. Pink belly side neck is hanging out right in the back over there. That albino soft shell booked it. He's also the same color as the sand, so who knows how much we're gonna see that little guy until he grows a little bit bigger. Don't bite me, please, Raptor. I'd appreciate it if you didn't. There you go, buddy. All he wants to do is eat, and he loves to eat. Oh! Look how big the baby cichlids are getting. They're growing up so fast. It's crazy. There's the little orange one. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. Christmas is right around the corner, so if you do want to get yourself some Paul Cuffaro brand merch, check it out, top link in the description in all of my videos. Such a dope little turtle pond, and I'm telling you guys, we have some crazier projects coming up here soon on the channel. So subscribe, don't miss out, smash the like button, and I will see you right back here in the next one. Thanks so much, peace.